Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and I want to show you how to add remove magnification on this device. Our first step to do this is from main menu we must navigate to the settings. In it we look for Accessibility selection right there and Vision. Now we must scroll down to our magnification and there we can easily turn on it by switch. And now we must set motif when we active our magnification. We can set this first one and confirm by OK. And now after we use two finger and swipe up from the down of screen, we activate our magnification. To change position of it, we must use two finger and we can switch it. We can plus or minus our magnification. And to turn off it, we must do it again from down of screen. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.